What's the meaning of brownstone? Brownstone. Brownstone.
Brownstone. Brownstone. Brownstone refers to a specific type of row house that is typically found in cities such as New York and Boston. These houses are characterized by their distinctive brown sandstone facades, which were originally quarried from New Jersey and Connecticut. Brownstones were popular in the late 19th century and early 20th century, and many of them have been renovated and restored for modern use. Today, brownstones are often associated with urban living and are prized for their historic charm and unique architectural details. They have become icons of American architecture and provide a glimpse into the past of our cities.